Hi, my name is Little Pete, and this is my 3D printed coil gun. Let me show you how it works. So, the way this works is, it has this circuitry over here. What it does is it takes the 9 volts from this 9 volt battery and converts it to 200 volts DC and charges up this capacitor bank. Then when I press this button down here, knobs, it dumps all that electricity through thyristor to this coil over here. Then what happens is there generates very powerful magnetic field around that coil and it shoots the projectile away. Let's shoot it.